Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change screen lock on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who want your cell phone security to be high, you have to change your lock screen password regularly so that it will strengthen the security of your cell phone. And how to change your lock screen password is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down and then go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then now you can go to screen lock, and then you can enter your last password, and then you can choose another style of screen lock. And then here I will choose the number digit, and then you can confirm it, click OK, and then so yeah, here's the result of your new password of lock screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change screen lock on Redmi Note 14, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.